Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and the iTunes on iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type of issue that your account has been disabled in the App Store and iPhone iTunes, let's see how can you fix the issue. So very first you just have to check your network connection that you are connected to a strongest and stable network connection. Then open settings here, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that. And after doing that, you have to tap on your Apple ID here. Then select sign in and security. Select change password from here. Verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password, and then select start security delay. And once your security delay has been disabled or has been done, you have to change your Apple ID password. Once you have changed the Apple ID password, you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not, or if you're still facing the same issue. So you have to try to update your payment method in your iPhone or iTunes or your Apple ID. So very first go for general here, go for language and region, select region, and you have to select the country or region in which you're living, and then go back from here. And after that you just have to go back, go for your Apple ID, select media and purchases, select view account, and here verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. Then select your country or region. Now you just have to select or look for your own country or region or which you have just selected in your iPhone. So simply select that, then tap on continue, then tap on agree in the top right corner. Now you just have to add your payment method. If you have any payment method, you just have to add it here. Or if you don't have any payment method, select the none option, and then you have to enter these options with the billing address, your phone number, and after all your name. Once you have added, tap on done option in the top right corner, then your issue will be fixed. Or after doing that all, if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to contact with Apple support team member. Now to do that, you have to open your Apple Support app, or you can use Apple Support.web or your support.apple.com webs on your web browser. Open your iPhone from here, select more option. Now you just have to select App Store or iTunes Store. I'm going to select my App Store. So from here, you just have to select Get More Help, then select Call Us. Now you will find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You just have to dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. After all, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.